we come and walk looks in the Bangkok Bank on the road here. Now we go walk and go through the office, and then for now you know how to find me, and then that's why. Yes. Yes. Yeah, and then now here look all the neighbor. Yeah, and then here all they have just walking and then easy to find, because when you find immigration and then you find Bangkok Bank, and then you just go walk through as Rompo Market, and then you will find my company Visa Estate here at Rompo Market. We are open and then do good luck and everything. Now it's me, Sasi. Well, now you guys know how to find me, and then easy for come walking. Look, we are walk now go to for Rompo Market, my company. So have that day when you come to Thailand, you need eat buffet หมูกระทะ you just come here, and then I am is Visa Estate. We are Rompo หมูกระทะ here. Well, everyone enjoy now. I have to go back to the office. Now you know how to find me. Okay, bye. I'm in Thailand. Okay, bye.